The next reaction is benzoin condensation. Benzoin is a commercial molecule, so this is benzoin. So you can always expect the question is as very typically with respect to benzaldehyde itself. They do not give you varied examples here. It's only benzaldehyde here. So we have 2 moles of benzaldehyde in the presence of ethanolic KCl or alcoholic KCl, where it is generating CN minus as a nucleophile. The product that you are forming here, this is my keto group here, right? So you can see it is an alpha hydroxy ketone type you are forming here. So this particular molecule is called as benzoin. This particular molecule is called as benzoin. So step number 1, cyanide is here. It attacks the aldehydic carbon so that it becomes O minus. Okay. What happens in the next step? You can see this H plus here is attacking this OH O minus. Within the same molecule, the proton transfer is happening here. H plus is there. So that I created a carbanion. We have created a carbanion. Now the next step is again the carbanion is going to attack the carbonyl group, and so that I have this particular molecule here. Now let's look at the rearrangement that's happening here. The bond between O and H breaks up between C and O, and the CN goes out. You can see the CN again, CN minus is again regenerated. The H plus that is coming out attacks this O minus, so it becomes OH and C double bond O, and that's benzoin for us.
Got it, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Copy the mechanism.